I'm Shane White, and this is The Process.
Hey gang, Shane Patrick White here with another edition of The Process. On today's Developer's Diary, which is now what I'm going to call it, I'm working on Arminius, the story that I am doing for Z2 Comics and Universal Music. So I've been working on a few things, kind of hammering out the likenesses of the main characters, using some reference and some not, but eventually I'll settle on something that's a little bit in between. What I tend to do is, if I find reference, I'll use it, try to get it in my muscle memory, and then I'll kind of abandon it. I'll just kind of try to remember the key points that I liked about it to begin with. So that helps when I go to, draw the character from any different angle. It's one of those things, it's like if you rely a lot on the reference, then you have to reference everything. And if you don't have reference for everything, you're going to spend a lot of time looking for reference. So on a job that pays a couple $100 a page, you gotta make these choices. It's like, do you work faster? Do you do sloppier work? Just depends, Otherwise, you're just working in deficit. So yesterday I started roughing out the first few pages. As you can see, page 1, panel 1, a big legion of Roman soldiers led by Arminius, and Arminius meets Varus, the guy he is supposed to help in suppressing the Germanic people. Now, I did a little research yesterday, found out that Arminius was German-born and then was kidnapped by Romans and raised in Rome. So he's got this birthright sort of, loyalty to his people. And now he has this opportunity to double-cross not only Varus, the pompous person that he is, but also to help his people. And apparently, based on some research, this caused a great deal of, It was kind of like the spear in the heart of the Roman Empire, because the Battle of the Teutoburg Forest was basically so significant that it started crumpling its infrastructure, and Rome eventually fell some odd years later. I'm not sure when. So a little bit of research goes a long way, gets you into the mindset of things. I did also collect a bunch of reference for the forests in the around that area. I wanted to try to get it somewhat accurate, Here's another page I roughed out. Now, I might do like 2 or 3 roughs a day. It just depends. I end up trying to pace myself. Some days I really like roughing things out. I don't feel like committing to anything. I'll do that. Some days I really want to render, just get in there, focus, get into the zone. I also have horses. These little toy horses are very helpful. So like if I'm looking for a particular angle, I'll turn the horse, oh look, I can get this 3/4 view of the head or whatever. Or I can get him trotting, or, from any angle I can figure it out. I've got some of these toys, whatever, that I've picked up over the years, which have been super, super helpful. So that's it for today. As always, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Developer's Diary. Take care.